Unveiling Debriefing, the art of discussion after the event. Hello learners! Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase that many professionals, especially in the fields of business, military, and even healthcare, frequently use. The term is debriefing. By the end of this video, you'll understand its meaning, how to use it in sentences, and where you're most likely to encounter it. Debriefing is a term derived from removing one's briefs or instructions. In essence, it refers to a discussion after an event or activity. This discussion aims to review, analyze, and reflect on what happened, why it happened, and how to improve or respond in the future. For instance, after a mission, soldiers might have a debriefing to discuss the mission's success and any challenges they faced. To ensure you truly grasp the concept, let's see debriefing in action. 1. After the project was completed, the team had a debriefing session to discuss the challenges they faced. 2. The pilot and crew underwent a debriefing after the emergency landing. 3. Every month, our company has a debriefing meeting to review our sales strategies. As you can observe, the term is often associated with professional or official scenarios, but it can also be used casually. Understanding the concept of debriefing can help in many scenarios. Here's why it's vital. 1. Reflection and learning. Debriefing allows individuals and teams to reflect on their actions and learn from their experiences. 2. Improvement. By discussing what went wrong and what went right, one can devise strategies for future improvement. 3. Closure. It provides a sense of closure, ensuring everyone is on the same page and any concerns are addressed. There you have it. The term debriefing is more than just a fancy word. It's a concept that promotes learning, growth, and understanding. So, the next time you're involved in a project, event, or any activity, consider having a debriefing session afterward. It's a great way to learn and improve. Hope this video clarified the term for you, and happy learning!